Hello, I am Professor Kakade Aryam from Artsu Technical Campus MBA Department. So, subject name Service Marketing and chapter 2nd Traditional Marketing Mix Elements in Services. So, today I will discuss point cost of service delivery. Cost of service delivery means service delivery incurs cost. It is necessary to collect data on unit service counts, number of beneficial, money spent per unit of service, the time spent on service coordination and delivery, wages and salary of staff involved in service delivery, and the amount spent, risk, liability, provision since assignment of performance of service delivery in relation to its cost effectiveness. That is, the data contains information regarding the areas or the types of services and clients for which financial resources are being used. Whenever there is some inconsidered corrective action can be the taken, it is the easy of find out if the cost of unity is cost service marketing delivery means include to produce procedure and producer manufacturer. That is related point is the producer, then distributor, then wholesaler, then retailer, then shopkeeper, and final customer related to cost, defined cost. Okay, so service is too high, an organization may not be able to support a loss funding because clients will be have account to a level of service that the organization will no longer be able to offer. An organization may not be able to save for an unforeseen event and will be valuable, and this valuable funding is lost. Okay, so is the cost of unit service is too high, there is risk losing community support of receiving pressure to cut service at the expenses of the quality. If the cost of the unit of service is too high when designing delivery system, organization use developments in service technology to ranking approaches while others choose different ways to delivery the service they offer. It is fair underline IT development have not only reduced cost and lead times within in the system and procedure but have able to organization and redesign many of the delivery system. The internet offer a lot capability to personalize the service to the client. Organization will have to decide the extent to which customer can participate in the reaction to the service when the design the delivery system takes of the place. Okay, so important part in the procedure, the next step be analyze how the organization current customer service delivery cost structure will be development and the cost that will be involved meeting in the newly identification service level by customer segmentation. Okay, firm that the applied activity based costing will be find the satisfaction task the without analysis will be conduct the project detail. An organization does need to put in place costing system, analyze the costing potential to service delivery as well as recovery. The customer to customer can provide a cost effective solution to service recovery and achieving customer service excellence. That is cost of service delivery. So, next point, customer profitability measurement. What is meant by customer profitability measurement? Customer profitability measurement refer to the allocation of revenues and cost to customer segments or individual customer, such that the profitability of the segmentation individual customer can be the calculated. Means in the incentive of the increasing the attention for gap for the following two reason. So first one, the increase of ABCs in the 1990 lead to the rise in the understanding of the extent to which the manufacturing of different products use from resources. So including point, first one, from first find out of the cost pools. Second, for each of the cost pools, cost drivers should be identified. Then costs are then allocated to the cost objective based on the extent to the which this object requires certain activities. Okay. Next, if the was expected that not every product required the same types of same level of activities, it was a small step to see that customer to different their of resources. So second point, both in the type and amount. Information technology makes it possible to record and analyze more customer data since number of the sales visit, number of service calls, etc. are storage the level of the individual customer, it become possible to actual calculate customer profitability. Means it is a considered good industrial marketing practice to build an natural profitable relationship with the customer. The CAP can deliver knowledge such as how current customer relationship different to the profitability as well as what customer segments offer higher potential for the future profitability customer relationship, that is customer profitability measurement. So thank you so much.